Hi, eighth grade. It's Monday. Been trying to get some videos for you. Last night I was able to do two. Took about 2 hours to get them ready. So hopefully this one will go a little bit more smoothly. You have a grammar assignment, page 52, that's due on Wednesday. And we'll take a minute and go over that. It's basically the agreement of your indefinites that you worked with earlier. Basically, you're looking at how they're used as a singular or plural. When an indefinite pronoun acts like the subject of a sentence, the verb needs to agree with it in number, which is the case in any sentence with the subject and the verb. They need to be in agreement. So singular indefinite pronouns, and they give you a list of what those singular indefinites are. They work with a singular verb. So the example says, no one is able to predict earthquakes. No one is singular, and so the verb is a singular as well. Which verb correctly completes the following sentence? Everyone blank us to be able to predict them. Everyone want or wants. Now the answer is wants because everyone happens to be singular and wants is singular as well. Now, plural indefinites are indefinite pronouns like both, few, many, others, and several. They will all work with a plural verb. And the example says, many are working to try to predict earthquakes. Many is plural, and the verb are is plural. And the very important part at the end says that some indefinites can be either singular or plural depending on how they're used in the sentence, which kind of goes without saying. It's something we've talked about throughout the course of our lessons. These include pronouns like all, any, more, most, none, and some. These pronouns are singular and take a singular verb when they're followed by a phrase with a singular noun or an abstract noun. They're plural and they take a plural verb when they're followed by a phrase with a plural noun. So, for instance, all of the building was destroyed. All of the building is indicating singular, and was a singular. So that's going to be the singular agreement. All of the buildings were destroyed. Now we have all of the buildings being the plural noun, and then were is the plural verb. So we have to look at how the indefinites are used in a sentence, and that will give us a better understanding of how we use them in agreement. So your assignment is exercises 1 and 2. In exercise 1, you simply choose from the parentheses the verb that will complete the sentence, and you need to make sure that it agrees with the way that the verb is used. In number 1, blank, anybody been able to predict earthquakes? Has anybody is going to be the completion. In exercise 2, identify the indefinite pronoun and then choose the verb that agrees with it. So in number 1, several of the students wear parkas in the winter. Several is the indefinite, and wear is the verb because it's actually plural. So all you need to do in the first exercise is write the choice from the parentheses, and in the second exercise, write the indefinite pronoun and then the verb that it agrees with. You also have section 2 in your novel due on Wednesday. You can look for the reading quiz to come on Wednesday morning as well. It should be ready for you around 9 a.m. I hope that you're doing well. And now, with our new executive order, we know that we have to stay in place at home for a while longer, but keep the faith and stay strong. Take care.